Hello Libra, welcome to my channel Triple Two Tarot. This is your girl TM. I'm doing October 2019 general love reading for all of you guys. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Libra. Energy could be vice versa if you're cross watcher or if you're Libra. So please take what resonates with you. This is only a general reading. Don't take it serious. If it your story, if it resonated with you, this is your story, and it's all the better. If it's not, then this is only a general reading. Okay. You can come to me for personal reading if you want to. Details are and prices are already given on my channel. If you're interested, contact me on my email address. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. There is more fun. Join me there. Thank you so much guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. I appreciate each one of you. So let's see what's happening for my Libra people out there. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. They complain a lot. Like you guys complain a lot. Like, where is our reading? Where is our reading? Come on, it's coming. Be patient. I will pick up the energies of a recent past. I'm not ready, that's why I'm not picking up, okay? People also complain about this. Come on, this is my channel. I have to do whatever I have to do. Please, take it easy. Relax. So I will pick up the energy of recent past, current energy, and what is coming towards you, and one advice for you. Let's see what happened in your recent past. Oh my goodness. Again, it could be vice versa. It could be this is happening with you, cross watcher, or it could be this is happening with you, Libra. So take what resonates with you, okay? I just read the energies here, okay? I'm not here specifically pointing out anyone, so don't try to resonate with your situation if it's not resonating with you. Let's see what is the advice for you. So bottom of the deck, you have the Knight of Pentacles. I feel that your relationship is moving very slow with this person. You could be dealing with earth energy, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Oh, for some of you, there is a third party situation with the Three of Swords. Could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, dealing with another air sign. And with the Two of Wands, this person could be living on the distance from you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel that someone is dealing with two people or two situations. They have to choose. They have to make a decision. And it's breaking other person's heart because someone is not making a decision or they're not choosing what they want. They have to clearly decide, right? With the Two of Wands, someone is indecisive and the other person is hurting because of they're not making decision, or they're coming very slow with the Nine of Pentacles. Someone definitely is waiting for this pentacle, this offer, something solid, because this is Pentacles time. Someone could be also waiting for the other person to give them a time, but they're not giving because they don't have a time for them. What I'm sensing here, what happened in your recent past, Nine of Swords. Oops. So something happened, okay? This is going worse and worse. There could be a strongly, I feel here, could be a third party situation for some of you, that it's really breaking your heart. You are into a dark place. You don't know if this person will choose you or the other person. Someone could hurt you, they betrayed you, they could cheated on you with the Two of Wands, and now you could be here making a decision that what should you do? You should give this person a chance or you should move on. Two of Wands, definitely it's like making a decision, but someone is indecisive, whatever is happening here between you and this person. So someone is in the dark place here. They don't know what to do with this situation. They are definitely not in a good state of mind. They're not happy, they're not satisfied what is happening. Obviously this is a dark place, and with these cards, oh my goodness, why everyone is getting this? Come on, this is your season. What are you doing? You could be dealing with was Aquarius, because this is a King of Sword here. So someone is definitely emotionally detached from you, like they're not talking with you. There is no communication. And this, by the way, this happened in your recent past. Someone was not communicating with you. They were detached from you, like emotionally detached, not available to you. They were not telling you the truth, or they were hiding something from you. And with the King of Swords, when you know the truth, when the truth revealed to you, I feel like with the Nine of Swords, now you are into this position. You were into that position. Like you were like, why? I was waiting for you here to choose me, to make a decision, but you did not choose me. And finally, you are making me here like worse and worse. King of Swords also talk about you could cut this person out from your life, or you are emotionally not available for this person right now because you're hurting. This person hurt you and you're not sleeping at night. You're having a hard time to sleep because there is no clarity for you for this connection. Someone is definitely need to make a choice here. They need to make a decision here that what they want. It's really breaking other person's heart here. There could be a distance between you and this person. That's why it's causing a problem. What is happening right now in your current energy between you and this person? You have 10 of Wands. Yeah, look at this. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could be dealing with a fire sign. So it's really draining your energy. With the 10 of Wands, it looks like you are into pressure. You feel like everything is just doing you. It's like you are the one. I also feel like this could be a one-sided thing that you feel like it's from me. It's one-sided. I'm carrying all the burden. I'm doing all the things in this relationship because the other person is not even there. You can see that. 10 of Wands, it's really draining your energy and you are about to drop this pain or this connection because you're tired, you're not happy. And also you have this star card here, Aquarius energy. I feel that some of you really need to drop this situation right now if you're not getting the clarity or you're not moving towards something that you want. So 10 of, because see, I'm talking about 10 of Swords, so definitely it's about to end or there could be some separation going on between you and this person, definitely. The star is talking about healing, hopeful, patience. Okay, so drop this situation now and you need to heal yourself because it's look like someone is here only carrying all this burden. It's like one-sided. Someone is really definitely doing all the work in this situation and they're not happy, they're not satisfied because the other party is just here. Emotionally detached, they're not doing their work and they are stubborn too. Look at this person's like, nah, I don't want to talk. Okay, the star card, it's a positive card to get right now. You need to be healed, you need to get over from this energy, whoever this is going through this situation, vice versa if you're cross watcher. So I feel you need to be positive about more future, have patience, and also have faith on the destiny and the God that everything will be fine for you. Because I feel that you really need this hope right now. You really need to be patient. You really need to get over from this energy. You're not healing. You're not into a good state of your mind and your health. Whoever this person is here in the dark place. You need some light. You need some positivity. You need some hope. And you need healing, by the way. Whoever this person here is. It's really, I know, I can feel here, whoever this person is hurting here. It will not resonate with everyone, but definitely it will resonate with some of you. Like really, it's like a painful breakup or separation right now because there's no communication. Other person is not even talking and not making a decision. There could be two people involved or something involved that this person need to make a choice or make a decision. And it's really hurting you because this person is draining your energy. The more they are delaying, the more they are indecisive, it's really more painful for you to wait for this person. Just saying. What is coming towards you, you are not seeing it, or you need to see it. Here is the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, new beginning. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Something solid, something stable. And then you have the Hierophant. Taurus energy. Yeah, I feel that Ace of Pentacles, you need to start. You need to I feel like for some of you could be getting some definitely commitment from this person with the Ace of Pentacles in the future because something solid. It's talk about marriage card, it's talk about commitment. So yeah, for some of you are getting this commitment from this person because you have been waiting for and they will choose you. For others of you, it's look like they're saying that you need to more focus on your future, your career. And you need to be more stable and grounded. For some of you, it's really important because this is the earth energy and Taurus. This is also a spiritual card here, right, with the Hierophant. So yeah, you need to you need to work on your healing. You need to be more grounded. I feel that whoever this person here is right now, they are not grounded, they're not healthy, they're not balanced. It's not balanced here. They need to be balanced in, they need to be healed. But I feel that something is coming in your way, positive. Could be you're meeting new person that is Taurus, or that could be Aquarius that you're meeting new person. Libra, don't worry. Because I feel there could be a possibility you're meeting someone new into church. I don't know why I said that. You could be meeting this person into some holy places like church, or you could be meeting this person into some type of healing, yoga teacher or gym teacher. Someone is definitely healing you or they will heal you. Ace of Pentacles, there is definitely potential of new beginning. You have to be positive, you have to be hopeful and be patient to wait for this opportunity. For some of you, you could be getting this commitment from this person. Yeah, because it's already written, the star, your destiny, your fated relationship with this person. What is advice for you here is Page of Pentacles. Yeah, you could be have a age difference between you and this person, or someone is dealing with, or someone could be dealing with their children, like children involved between you and this person, or you could be dealing with a married person, or they are married, you are married, whatever you want to take the energy. So Page of Pentacles also talk about your advice here. You need to be more positive, and you need to invest something that is more valuable, right? You need to be invest your time, your energy somewhere that you can grow up, you can heal, you can ground yourself. Look at this. Invest your time carefully, invest your time there that you can grow up. So it's here. I feel that you need to be more positive, and you need to see things with a new perspective, or you need to find something better. Because if you are going through this process and this process is not coming, you need to find something better, or you need to more focus on your career, your time, your energy. Basically, you need to ground yourself. That's how they're saying. You need to be balanced with the Page of Pentacles, okay? I'm also seeing that someone is coming for apology with the Page of Pentacles. There could be a chance that this person is coming for apology, and they will make a choice, and they will choose you. For some of you, not for everyone. But I see the children involved here. I see some marriage issues are also here. But someone really need to make a decision here, because it's hurting other person. So yeah, it's here. But I'm also seeing that it's fated. For some of you, it's fated. It's your fated reconciliation. It's your fated commitment. It's your fated marriage with someone is happening. So you need to ground. You need to be balanced. Whatever is going on right now. Okay. So yeah, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let me know in the comments if it resonated for you. God bless you.